We start with 1 hour chart. First of all, if we refer to our analysis in my last video when the price was within this move, I mentioned mostly we can expect the price to drop. That's why I was keep highlighting if we want to buy from here, it's not really a good idea. Okay, and even we mentioned as long as the price haven't broke 68.4, as long as the price is below this level, we can expect the price to drop. As what we expected, the price drop. Okay, and beside that, I mentioned if anyone wants to look for buy, let this one turn to a deeper correction. First of all, the only way this is what we get. And beside that, we mentioned if we want to look for buy, the only option is to put our entry above the top. Okay. And if we zoom in, as we can see, the price, even we put our entry at the top, it didn't take. And the second thing, if even if anyone take the trade, we mentioned 1 or maximum 2 hours. As we can see, the first hours that the price didn't move, even they didn't take out after the first candle, the second one they should take out the trade. Okay, this is the reasons I was keep highlighting. The way is forming technically we want the price to drop. The only reasons I mentioned, maybe we can, if anyone wants to look for buy, maybe they can look for buy because of this sharp move. But I highlighted most of the charts they're following the Bitcoin, and mostly we can expect the price to drop. Okay, even based on higher time frame, we mentioned we want to get one more drop because we mentioned we want to see this one turn to a deeper move in relative to this. Then from there, any reversal we can look for buy. And beside that, we mentioned if the price drop, we can look for the divergence. As of what we expected, the price drop. Okay, but the price couldn't break the previous low because of this shadow. But almost as we can see, the price tagged the previous low, and we can look for the divergence. Okay, but the best things was if there was a continuation and confirmation with the breakout. Okay, because most of the chart they follow the Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin reversed, mostly we can look for the reversal. But anyway, how deep it can go, if there is a continuation, still we can expect the price drop to 60. Because we mentioned after the price drop, if we get any reversal from there, we can look for buy. That means the best things is if the price drops some more, break the previous low, then from there, if we get the reversal, we will look for buy. This is what we have been looking for. In this case, we start with higher time frame. If we move to daily chart, we mentioned we're looking at this correction. We want to get one more drop, then any buy for long term, we will take the trade. If I move to forward chart, it will be more clear. Okay, this is what we have been looking for. Even when since the price was within this move, I was keep highlighting the price will drop, and exactly as this what we expected the price drop. And even we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the 60. Okay, again, based on forward chart, we want this one to continue with the breakout of the 60. Any reversal from there, we look for buy. And based on 1 hour chart, since the price almost broke, then from now, that's mean if we don't need to wait for the breakout of the 60, that's mean from now, if we get any reversal, any trade setup for buy, we are more interested. But the best thing is if this one continue, drop some more. Okay, whether we should look for buy or not, we have to get the reversal. But right now, we don't have any trade setup for buy. And as we mentioned, the best thing is if there is a continuation, at least retest the previous load. And even as we can, the price haven't conformed with the breakout. Because of this, simply we have this shadow. Most of the chart they have a similar movement. But right now, as we can see, even the price drop, we will have for sure we will have the divergence. Okay. As I mentioned, we are more interested to look for buy, but right now we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. The best thing is we wait and we get the confirmation. If we get any reversal from now, either from here or even the price drops some more, if we get any reversal from now, we take the trade for buy. But if the price reverses a corrective move, for sure, we are not going to look for buy. We just let it go because any corrective reversal, it can give us a correction for continuation. Okay, as what we expected the price drop, if anyone get the sell, they should start to manage if they want to keep the trade. And right now we have to wait and get the get the correction for the next move. But in the long term, we're looking at this, and if we get any reversal, this is what we're looking for. Okay, in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.